A feature story from Team 4. Drool the molecule wants to be cool. Once upon a time, there was a molecule named Drool. Drool moved from his hometown and arrived at Victoriano Elementary School. Drool was a solid piece of ice, and all of his friends were water. Drool wanted to fit in because he knows that he was slower than his friends. He learned that all of his popular liquid friends are so fast because their particles are farther apart and they can adapt into different shapes. He longs to be popular too. Drool sets out the next day with one goal in mind. He was determined that he would also turn into water. Drool sat in the hot sun and slowly melted into water. He was so happy that his particles no longer vibrated in one place. Drool knew that unlike solids, liquids cannot maintain their own shape. He wanted to be like his new liquid friends, so he took the shape of a water bottle. Drool and his new liquid friends head down to the beach. He looks over and realizes all of his friends were wearing a hat. Just when Drool thought everything was perfect, everything fell apart. He forgot to put the cap onto his water bottle before he left his house. Drool was having so much fun with his friends that he didn't realize the day was getting hotter and he was starting to lose some of his particles. He was puzzled because the particles at the surface of his water bottle were moving upward with great speed. Before he knew it, he had evaporated into a gas. Drool was so upset, he regretted turning into a liquid. Drool said to himself, "I should have stayed a solid when I had the chance." Then he remembered. He had once heard of the process of condensation. He knew that once he became a liquid again, his dreams would be within his grasp. What Drool learned in his adventure was that it didn't mean anything to be cool, as in popular. What Drool really enjoyed was being cool, as in frozen.